This video is sponsored by Licht, the world's first commercial music licensing platform.
Hey gang, welcome to London. I'm hanging with some fellow YouTubers slash TikTokers slash photographers slash videographers today. I borrowed Pete's little, what do we call it? Stormtrooper camera. It's a white Canon. Whew. Puddles, it is London. 200D with a kit lens, 1855. Shooting some hyperlapses on it today to show you that you really don't need like an insane camera to shoot cool stuff. So let me show you how I shoot it so you can go and try this out for yourself. Taking a bigger step because it's quite a long distance and I want to get this over with.
Today's video is shot entirely on my phone and on the little white Canon 200D that costs about £390. The point of this video is to show you that it's not about the gear. Quality content comes from good ideas and the person behind the camera. Do you know what else really increases the quality of your videos? Great music. Now you can use production music, which is fine, a lot of people do that and it's got its place. But we all have those special connections to certain artists or famous tracks that we know will really elevate the viewer's experience. Unfortunately, up until now there was no way to license this music, and that's where today's sponsor comes in, as you would have guessed it, Licht. Well, I did mention it at the start of the video already, I guess. Anyways, Licht is a commercial music licensing platform. They allow you to license music from big artists, big labels, stuff that you literally couldn't do before. You do not have to worry about any copyright claims or losing any of your ad revenue. You pay per track based on the average views your videos get, and the whole experience is really flawless. Click the link in the description below to get your first track for free and to get 50% off your second track. More about it later. Let's go back to the tutorial now. I'm going to show you how to stabilize these hyperlapses that you just shot. You're going to open up After Effects, go to File, hit Import, navigate to the photo sequence that you're stabilizing, and select the first of the images. Make sure this Import Sequence box is checked. Make a little folder and rename it appropriately. File management is key. In this composition here, you're going to select the footage. This is the footage you just imported. You're going to the Tracker panel, select the Warp Stabilizer, and set the smoothness to 10%. Let it analyze and let it run for a bit. Then after a couple of minutes, it'll change this into this. Have a look at that side by side. This is with only one run of stabilizing. Now sometimes the warp stabilizer doesn't work properly and you have to manually adjust the motion tracking, but that's a subject for a future video. If your stabilizer didn't do a great job and it's still a bit janky, you can simply create a new composition from the one you're working in. Apply the warp stabilizer again and repeat the process. It's best to have a few runs with a smaller smoothness percentage than one run with a large smoothness percentage. After this, you can export your video, upload it to TikTok, hit a questionably high view count, and figure out a way to monetize your virality. Alrighty, back to me now. Look, here's the thing. Licht needs more users. We need more users on the platform to convince more labels and artists to sign up to the platform so we can use more music. We want to be Spotify for creators is the end goal here, right? Now, the music industry is famously slow to evolve, and likely if it doesn't happen now, it probably won't happen again. So we need people like you and people like me to go to the website, find a track you want to use it, and help us change the music and the video industry forever. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. Peace. Welcome to the end of the video in which I have to convince you to click on another video, which is not what I'm doing right now. I just want to thank you for being here. I know it's been a while between uploads, which is, yeah, life's been hectic, but I'm back now. I'm very happy to be back. I'm very happy that you're here. And yeah, hope you're having a fantastic day or night, wherever you may be. Adieu.